Hi, I'm Vic, and this is a Transfer Certificate of Title or TCT from one of our development projects in San Jose, Nueva Ecija. This document is your proof of ownership, and it's important that you understand how to read it so you can verify your own TCT. Let me walk you through what everything means. At the very top, you'll see LRA Quezon City, the Central Land Registration Authority Office, and the Registry of Deeds for San Jose City, where it was processed. You'll also see your unique title number which identifies this specific property. Quick note, TCT means you own land. If you see CCT or condominium certificate of title, that means you own part of a condominium instead. Now the technical description. This is basically GPS for your property. First, the identity section shows your lot number, block, and subdivision plan like your land's social security number. The tie point references a permanent government marker anchoring your property to the actual earth. The table of bearings and distances is crucial. It traces your exact property footprint. And adjoining lots tells you what's next to you, whether it's a neighbor's lot or a road. Below that, you'll find the current owner's name and address, followed by a brief history showing the previous owner and any previous mother titles if the land was subdivided. The final and critical part is the Memorandum of Encumbrances. This is where you see everything affecting your lot. Any liens or cases against it will show here. If your lot is used as collateral, you'll see an entry. Joint venture agreements like in this example also appear here. This section can run multiple pages, with entries being marked as cancelled when resolved, but never erased, keeping a permanent recorded history of your title. And that's your TCT, your proof of ownership explained. Now that you've got your land secured, you're probably thinking, okay, I want to build my house, but how long is this actually going to take? That's the next critical question every landowner needs answered. I made a full video walking you through the entire construction timeline. You need to watch this next. It should be on the screen now. Trust me, knowing this upfront will save you months of frustration and help you plan properly.